Hi, welcome to my class. Today you will be learning chocolate fondant with me. For chocolate fondant, first we need to make the batter, and these are the ingredients that we prepare. First, whole egg, sugar, melted chocolate, melted butter, and flour. So first, we need to mix in the whole eggs and the sugar. So you get a whisk, slightly stir well. So make sure you combine the eggs and the sugar together. Okay, just like this. And now you can add in the chocolate. And the melted butter. So same thing, you need to mix it by using hand whisk. Try to stir a little more. Make sure the melted butter has been combined together. Okay, now we can add in the flour little by little. By the time you stir in the flour, be careful. Make sure there's no lumps. So after you mix in everything, the texture will be slightly thicker. So it will look like this. So now you can put it in the chiller to chill it for 5 minutes. While we're chilling the mixture, we need to prepare the ring for the chocolate fondant. So these are the things I have. First, I stand by a parchment paper which is in rectangular size, and one parchment paper in square size, and one stainless steel ring which is 8 cm and 5 cm high. It doesn't matter with the size because you can do whatever shape you want. So I put the ring on the paper. Make sure the paper is slightly bigger than the ring, and make sure the rectangular paper is able to cover the whole ring, which is 1 cm extra will be better. So now I will spread some oil on the rectangular paper to make sure it sticks well. So after you spray, put it in the ring and make sure it sticks tight on the ring. To prepare the final step, we need to put the mixture from step 1 into the piping bag and cut a small hole. Now, I'm going to fill it up inside the ring that I prepared just now. Just pipe inside until it's full. Pipe till the level of the ring. Now I'm going to put inside the chiller, chill for 15 minutes before I put inside to the oven. After 15 minutes chilling, we are ready to bake at 190 degrees 7 to 8 minutes. After take out from the oven, I put some snow powder on the top. It's for decorate. And then remove the frame. Be careful. I'm going to put 1 scoop of ice cream to have a good combination, frozen dessert and a hot dessert on the same plate. This is the final look of the chocolate fondant.